Hey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do something different. This is a brief I got from ChatGPT. I asked for it to give a thumbnail brief for me so I can design it in Photoshop. This is the brief he gave me. Why your YouTube videos are getting low views. So we are going to design a thumbnail for that. It also gave me some concepts. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use any of these concepts. So for this thumbnail I have a rough idea of what I want. I just came up with the idea. So something like, I think this is a good concept. Let's find the assets for this, and first of all we'll need a creative, a person here. So for that I'm gonna, so what we are gonna do right now is just grab this and I'm gonna upscale this image. Yeah, then while that is generating, we can check out how YouTube Analytics UI works. We're gonna recreate this one. This image is much better and we'll download this. Also, just in this, I'm gonna check out what other competitors have done for this kind of video. That red background works great, so we are gonna create a solid color layer and make it red, and then we're gonna make another solid color layer with the color like this one, and we're gonna invent the layer by Control I. Alright, so let's bring our subject. We are gonna remove this background. As you can see, there are some white lines. So next we are going to filter other and minimum and select this to 1. Yeah, that looks great. Then we are gonna make this bigger. Alright, so next up we are going to create this UI element, and for that we are going to go to rectangle tool and create a rectangle here. I'm gonna make a new text layer, change the font to YouTube Sans. This is the font YouTube uses, so we can take this color. Something like this to show it didn't grow as much 24 hours ago. This is the UI element we made. Maybe bring our subject above. Now we need something to bring this UI element to life. So this is what we are going to do. Add a drop shadow like this and inner shadow. This will look great. See, that brings this like 3D effect, and we can make this red. What do we think? Let's change the background color. Color of this person's t-shirt. So for that I'm going to use the object selection tool. hue saturation layer and colorize it. So let's go to the subject and go to camera raw. Let's add some highlights, then some shadows, and we can see the before and after. And we are going to desaturate his hair. I drop shadow to this text. I was thinking like if we can do the text on the bottom and the UI on the top. Let's try that too. If I'm doing this for a client, I will send both versions. This one looks good. Adding outer glow to this one would pop it a little bit. That gives it a nice little bit pop. Okay, I need to change the color of his skin. Now we have to sharpen his hair. So for that, I'm gonna go to camera again and select the sharpness to the max. I think that's it for this thumbnail. Let's export this and we can go to here and take the title and see how this works. Why your YouTube's videos are getting low views? If the viewers heard this part and they say don't touch it in the first 24 hours, it shows that it's a mistake. This is the thumbnail we made, and hope you found something useful like creating this UI. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.